Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a very useful and helpful pipe elbow. And this project is a small project, and this pipe elbow project is very useful and helpful. Uh, and This is a very important learner, beginner student is very important this project. Okay, all 2D geometries design here and drafting here and all. Okay okay let's start here. This body is design. At first drawing this bottom view, and this is a front view, and this is section view. And this project is a pipe elbow, and all dimension in millimeter, and length, and all length is 20 millimeter is this, and pitch is 1.5 is this, and M27 this is a thread is used here, and offset all is a all point is discussed here one by one, and all point is a this a thread. And okay, this is a at first drawing this is a skeleton drawing here, and 42 millimeter, and this is a fillet is 18 millimeter, and this is a 90-degree angle, and this is a equal length 42 millimeter. Okay, let's start here drawing this. At first select a plane is top plane, and select a at first line is a this okay, 90-degree angle is skeleton is at first is drawing here, and equal both is equal. Okay, and this is a 42. Okay, this is a correct. And fillet a sketch fillet is used here, and use a this okay, and use a 18 millimeter. Okay, and click okay. This is a perfect. Okay, 42 millimeter and 18 millimeter is correct. Okay, and exit, and use a swept boss base command is used here. And this is a very important, and use a circular profile. And circular profile is a not a not a 2014 and below, not a 2014 version, and below not use here, and 2014 above means 2015 2016, and above all is all new version in SolidWorks. All circular profile is used, so you can see here. Okay, not below version 2014. And okay, this is a circular profile is used here, and this is a use a 28 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a 28 millimeter is correct. But one point is also discussed here. This is a thin is 3 millimeter, and all is correct. And this is a thin feature is used here, and this is a 3 millimeter is correct. 3 millimeter, and direction is one direction, and this is a outside, and this is inside, this is a outside. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Outside is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and page select here. Image quality is very high. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this point is correct. And and next is drawing here. This is a some boundary, and this thickness is 5 millimeter, and this is a inward direction, and this is a circle is drawing here. This is a 38 millimeter, and all value is thread, but this is a correct. Okay, at first select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing a circle. Select a center point and use a this, and diameter is a 38 millimeter is correct. Okay, and use this this edge is also convert entities, because this is a open, and not use a convert entities, then this is a close. Okay, use a extrude boss base, this is open, and not use this inward fillet, then this is a close. Okay, this edge is also select here, and this is a 5 millimeter thickness, and direction is inward. Okay, this is a correct. And also change here 6 millimeter is also 6.2 is better, and direction is inward is correct. Okay, and same, and normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, and this circle is diameter is 38 is correct. And also this edge is convert entities, because this mouth is open, and not use a convert entities, then this mouth is close. And also same, this is a blind, and 6.2 millimeter, and merge result all is correct. Okay, but direction is a okay, this is a correct, but direction is a upward, means change here downward. Okay, this is a correct, this is a inward direction is correct. And next is a use a thread. Thread is used here, and this is a 20 millimeter is length, and pitch is 1.5, and M27 offset is 5 millimeter is correct. 1 by 1 is use here, and use a thread. Thread is a this. Okay, and at first select a any edge is this, and use a this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and next is a use here this is a metric die, and metric type is also very use, and this metric type is, and this is a correct N27 and 1.5. okay, this is a correct. Okay, M27 1.5. okay, this is a correct M27 and 1.5. okay, also correct M22. M22 is also better. Okay, M22 is mentioned here, and metric die is also correct. M27 1.2 is not correct here. M22 multiply 1.2 is correct, but this is a metric type. M27 is also this is a, and use offset. Offset is 2.2 millimeter is offset, and direction is inward. Okay, this is a correct. and 20 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. And also use here metric to die, and all is looking perfect, and use a 22 millimeter, and this is a correct, and all is nice looking here. Okay, this is a not use here, and this is a metric tab is correct, and metric tab and 22. Okay, okay, correct. Metric tab is, and 1.5 is better. This is a M22. Okay, this is a also, guys, you can see here also change here easily and clearly, but this is a simple use learn. M22 is also better, because this M27 is not mentioned here. M20 correct value is M22 multiply 1.5. Okay, this is a correct. Metric tab is also better, and all is correct. Okay, and same use this, use a thread and use here, and all is correct, M20 metric tab and all is correct, and this is offset is 2 millimeter is downward, this is a upward. Okay, and all is correct. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this value, and this press a control button and change a color is this. Okay, and also use a, okay, metal chrome, this is a bronze, and this is a use a this, and apply a button is apply here, this is a perfect and correct, and also isometric is this, and this is a perfect, perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, guys, any doubt about this lecture? Guys, I hope you will learn this project is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.